Good morning guys, today I will be unboxing a wireless nano USB adapter. So it is from TP-Link, and so let's unbox us. So the specifications of this adapter is a frequency range is 2.4 gigahertz, and its interface is USB 2.0, and its wireless speed is up to 150 Mbps, and is compatible with Windows 10, XP, 8.1, Vista, etc., and Mac OS 10.7, 10.8, 10.9, and 10.10, and also Linux. So let's unbox it. It's come with a nice packaging. So here is our adapter. So let's keep it inside and see the box content. It comes with a technical support and warranty card and a manual. It has all the instruction you have to follow written on it. You must follow it. So then we have the warranty card, and then we have the driver. So let's keep it aside and see our wireless adapter. So this is our wireless adapter. It is very tiny and its color in gold. It will be connected in your USB 2.0 of your computer. It has a brand logo TP-Link on the upper side. It has a LED light on it. When you will connect with your USB drive in your computer, it will blink. So this is a very good wireless adapter. It is available for 520 rupees in Flipkart. If you want to buy it, please check out. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.